Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nigel from Boy Gardening. Today I have a unboxing video for you, and these plants are not just any plants, they are my favorite plants. They are Forgetti hybrids, and I got them from a good friend of mine, Lena Punches, and she is a importer of rare plants from Indonesia. And what I like about her business is that she goes directly to the Asian growers themselves and pick out plants and do very direct business with them. And so these are some plants that she showed me, and I'm just like, I want all of them. And so I specifically asked for Forgetti or Forgetti hybrids because that is just what I'm obsessed about. And so let's unbox this. Um, we have a local plant delivery service, and I paid for these plants, and they come in 2 days. So I'm really happy that I just picked this up, and I can make this video. So I think I got 4 plants in total, and they all meet the requirement of having, well, few sinus. That's why I get them. Because in my eyes, if you're a Forgetti or a Forgetti hybrid that does not have a few sinus, you belong to the trash. So yes, let's unbox this. And I am in my, I'll call this like the nursery. So this is where I grow a lot of my seeds into seedlings in contained environments. So I have a lot of Rubbermaid kind of plastic boxes where I just have them in 100% humidity, so the seedlings grow without me having to water them too much. So thank you for packing this so well. Lena is one of the growers, sellers that I know that really care about the plants they sell. You know that they take great care of their plants and they care about the things they sell, because they pack the plants so well. One thing that I've learned from my many failures is that I cannot acclimatize imports. Like, I don't know. They just don't like me. And so I find that the best way to spend my money is to buy the imports from somebody who has stabilized them, established them, and acclimatized them, and the plants are not going to just crash on me. So I really like what I'm seeing already. Let me remove some of the fluff so you can take a look at this beautiful site. Oh, okay. So yes, there are 4 plants, and you can see that they are sinusy. I'm gonna show them one by one. But yes, acclimatizing imports are just the hardest. Like, for a lot of them, I I did whatever I can, and then the leaves just keep dropping, and then the roots, they just do not grow. They just do not establish. Oh my god, my dogs. Okay, so the first plant is, it's a Forgetti mutation from UK, like U and then KAY. So I guess UK is a seller, a grower, and look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. What I heard from her is that this is like one of the few that, ooh, the lights, maybe this is a better lighting. What I've heard is this is like one of the few that the sellers agreed to sell her and let her bring to the US. So I'm really, really happy that I got one of them out of maybe like, I don't know, five. Um, I like roots like this. Like roots like this is just such beauty, brings me so much joy. Yes, so I cannot, for the life of me, make import, establish, and grow roots like this. It's a sign of just them acclimatizing and loving their new, I don't know, time zone, and just being happy. And yeah, so maybe this is how Lena always does this to the plant, just moss and very very huge perlites. And I like to buy plants that are just rooted, happily rooted. Maybe this lighting is better. I don't know. Okay, so this is one of four. This is a black forgetti, just black forgetti, and this younger leaf does not have a few sinus, but this one. And I've also seen a picture of the parent plant, and I love the parent plant, so that's why I'm getting this one. Yeah. So this is in like indirect sunlight. The sinus remains red. The veins at the back, it's red as well. So for forgetti eye, usually there's no redness. At least the one we get from most of the bigger sellers. Yeah, they just don't look red. And this one is called Black Forgetti. I don't know if it's a hybrid or is it just like a Forgetti mutant, but yes, it looks great. Roots are like amazing. Like I don't know how to get to this. Or maybe it's just that like her the person that sold her the plants really shipped it really well, and so there's minimal shock to the plant on their way from Asia to the US. But this is just, oh my god. Okay, and then this plant is actually the one that I saw that she posted that I was like, if the original poster doesn't want it, we call it the OP. If the OP doesn't want it, like I want it. And so this is a Indonesian Indo dress. So it's the Indo dress crossed with a Forgetti, and thank goodness um, the new leaf it fused. So it looks like this. I love this one because of the focus of the center of the leaf. Well, I mean, wow, now that I see it like that, it looks like a butthole. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah. But oh my god, it looks so good. So the older leaf, not this one. This one is not, is it not fused or semi-ish, not fused. This is the leaf before this new one, and it is fused. So I think going forward, it's probably gonna just be stick with this shape. But yes, you can see how it goes into such dark, like blue sheen, gray green look. So good. So this is a dress crossed with Forgetti, and it's the Indo dress crossed with Forgetti. In person, it looks much more maroon, and the veins. This actually looks very pink, very very pink. But here, I think in the camera, it looks more like silvery white. But here, there's no whiteness. It looks just pink glitter, like pink glitter. That's all I have to say. Yeah. Ooh, so good. And I can look at the older leaves, all of them. The sinus is red, and it's just not showing that much on the camera, but it's a good red dot in even the oldest leaf. Good lord! Oh my gosh! This is the last one of this purchase. Literally, I was just she showed me, and I was just like, I want all of them. This is a Forgetti eye. So Forgetti eye is the fruit bearing, the seed bearing plant, right? And then it's crossed with a Hoffmanni, I think. And so usually when it is a Forgetii mother plant and then another plant as the pollen plant, the seedling has a lower chance of getting a fusinous look. If the pollen plant is a Forgetii, usually the offsprings has a higher chance of coming out with the Forgetii fusinous look. And so this one, um, it does have it, and I bet out of this seed batch, this one is like one of the very few, very very few. And even when it is younger, the leaves are already fusing at the top, and then it just gets rounder and rounder. It just gets rounder and rounder. Um, and then this leaf. I'm sorry, my dogs. Bamboo. No. Oh. And then this is the second, and then this is the newest leaf. So it looks really brown, like dark chocolatey. And then let's look at the back. But in person, it looks like a dark maroon. The redness, it's like it's like dried blood. Oh my gosh, I'm just so in love. Yeah, it's like dried blood. And look at the roots, please. Like, yes, love. And recently, I just got back into using moss in my plants. I don't know why, but Anthurium just love them. Like, love, love, love. And so, even if I don't want to change, I don't want to change the whole pot of mix into moss. I will just like layer moss on top of the top laying soil, and yeah, the roots are just loving it, and they're just like growing into the moss. And so yes, I think these ones I'm going to let them be in moss and just leave it as this because they're so happy. I don't think I need to repot them, unpot them. And the thing is, I know when a pot of moss is new or not. Like there's just the vibrancy of the color, and there is danger with using reusing old moss because the old moss they tend to break down faster, and there's also this high chance that if you didn't treat the moss after you collect them and want to reuse them, there is a chance of pests or bacterial that got transferred or like multiplied in there, and then it's just another way of infecting a plant with the pests that you want to get rid of. So very important when it comes to reusing substrate that you should treat the substrate with hydrogen peroxide, with some pesticide, with even just hot water to kill off whatever and start afresh. And looking at this, I have no wish to change the moss. The moss looks brand new. The moss look like really fresh. It has this very nice, bright orange color, and it's just the moss and the perlite. I love this. Look at the roots. Look at the roots. Oh my gosh. Love. Okay. Some of you say that you like that I do a summary of all the plants that I got. And so here it is. This is a summary. The first plant was this Forgetti mutation. Forgetti mutation. And I am one of the few in the US who managed to get this. Ooh. So this a Forgetti mutation. The second plant is a black Forgetti. Whether is it a pure Forgetti or whether is it a hybrid, who cares? It looks great. I love it. Like I'm just so much more interested in the shape, the look of the plant than to be so anal about their lineage. The next one I think is this one. It's a dress Indo form crossed with Forgetti. And then lastly, it's going to be Forgetti crossed with the Hoff. And you know what? I don't know what Hoffs this is, but if this is what you like, and this is what I like, this look, this color, I don't care. I just love it, you know? So these are the 4 plants that I got from Lena Punches. Very, very exciting to grow them. I will not repot them, unpot them. I'm just gonna keep them in these cups, and then I will put them into bigger pots of moss so that they are just happy and they do not crash on me. But yes, thank you for watching. This is such a joy, and I hope to bring you more content to show you more plants and also what I'm growing these days. You can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok at Boy Gardening, or just please subscribe, like button. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you soon.